Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to download images from ChatGPT Library. If you've generated images in ChatGPT, you can download them directly from your library. So first, open ChatGPT and sign into your account. Once signed in, open ChatGPT sidebar, and from the options, select Library. Now find and select the image you want to save. So at the top, you can select images to see all of your images. Then find and select the image you want to save. For example, let's say this one. Next, click the download button at the top. So click on that. So as you can see, the image has now been downloaded. So you can click this folder right here to open the image. Another thing you can do is you can hover over to the image and click the three dots beside it, then click download. And it will be downloaded to your computer, and that's it. So the image will be saved to your computer's default downloads folder. Now, if you're using ChatGPT mobile app, so either iPhone or Android, so you can open the ChatGPT app, then type library, open the image you want to download, then tap share or save download option. The image will be saved to your device's photos or gallery app. If you're using the newer library for files, you can also select multiple saved files and click download to save them together. So for example, I'm going to select these four images, then I'm going to click download, click allow, and all of those images will be downloaded to my computer. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.